I was only able to remove the first clip on the window crank or door handle. I think it was the door handle. Using this removal tool after YouTube advised me to flatten down the edges so it'll slide in. Even so, you can't see what you're doing, you just got to feel for it. And after getting the first one, mangling the second one, I had to end up using these two flathead screwdrivers and this cool little hook thing to squeeze in there, grab it by the backside, and just pull it out. And that seemed to work. And I got them out. But not for something you don't mind mangling. I'll use them as forms for reproducing.